Because who will do this if not us? This is our legacy which we can pass to the next generation. And without any hesitations, they said, yes, we will support. And I started that at once. No, it's not easy. Ito bilangyelig ko, Marat Ignatievich. Bila 80 tako'y wizard tako'y prosta ni predstavляю. Okay? Though full of challenges. And with their help, in just a matter of 15 days, from May 15 to June 2, 2022, it happened. It was just a dream. Okay, so the first Pushkin poetry in this place was a success. Although, certainly, it's not perfect. Yes, we recited all the Pushkin's poem in the Russian language with the presence of the Russian ambassador, Marat Ignatievich Pavlov, and other invited guests. And we ended the event by singing the song Katyusha, for what I remember. Okay, also the second poetry reading under the UFFSU, and this is the third one, which is under the FFSRI. Okay, so we are very thankful, guys, fellow, okay, for your active support and participation from the first, second, and today. We are strengthening and deepening our relationship with you, Russian Federation, with its embassy in Manila, the Department of Foreign Affairs, the Senate, the local government of Manila, especially. Стихотворение написано советской поэтессой Юлией Владимировной Друниной. Стихи называются «О Россия». «О Россия, с нелегкой судьбой страна, у меня ты, Россия, как сердце одна. Я и другу скажу, я скажу и врагу, без тебя, как без сердца, прожить не смогу». Спасибо большое. Maraming salamat po at salamat po ng mga dumalo at maraming salamat po.